We'll stand by this tree. That's my hair.
Oh, it's awesome. It's so lovely. Your hair is almost as lovely as your smile.
So here we are at Desert Abundance's Heartland Trial Project, and one of our first projects has been to grow and then plant on this site tall pots of native trees, mesquite, and desert willow is what we started with. This is a tall pot, and anybody can do it. It is just a PVC pipe. It could be 4 inches or 6 inches. We have a 4-inch one here. Drill 2 holes in the top in which you can stick your irrigation dripper in there, and this is how you're going to pull it off the plant when you go to plant. In the bottom we have wire to hold the medium in. There's a certain recipe for the medium you put in here: perlite, mostly perlite and sand, and some compost so that the drainage is excellent. Put the seed in, we plant during the monsoon time. Our desert plants germinate when the nights do not drop below 90 degrees. So we started these last monsoon, and then 7 months later, here they were, 4 feet tall. So it was time to put them in the ground. We augered a hole that was this long, and with a 6-inch auger, and just dropped this down with the plant in it into the hole. Pot is to let the taproot, which is 3 times longer than the above ground part of the tree that you see. So this is a natural way with our desert plants, particularly the legume plants. And when they're just grown in gallon and even 5-gallon pots or boxes, they don't have a taproot, a natural 3 times the length taproot. So the root system was longer than this, actually coming out the bottom. Took the bottom wire off, just set this whole tube in the augered hole, and with these holes, put some hooks in and just lifted it off of the tree. And that's what we have here. Built a well around it, put fencing to keep it from all of the critters that would love to eat it out here, particularly the rabbits, do the most damage. And today we're mulching and we're watering. We shouldn't be watering. The whole idea of using tall pots is that the taproot is long enough to get down to soil moisture, and we have good soil moisture here. We're on a floodplain right next to Clean Creek. But it was a week of 106 degrees in February. It's been extraordinarily hot. We've had absolutely no rain. So some of the trees that look like they're struggling, we're adding some supplemental water to. We hope that'll get them good and started, and we'll come back and see how they do.